What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the prettiest YouTuber in the world, Juss. Pronouns, Jason Vibes. Welcome back to another video, baby. Welcome back to the channel. I recently just saw this, literally. I was like, let me react to this. Reggie Mushabi buying his. I bought my first dream car 21 for my birthday. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna be reacting to today. I already see that he's in. I don't know. I would say Mercedes. I would say Mercedes dealership or Mercedes store or car ship or whatever. It might be a dealership that just buys. Where you can buy Mercedes. So, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you're a regular subscriber, appreciate you for still tapping in with the boy. Road to 1K. Road to 100K. Yeah, man, let's see the boys dream car. I mean, it's a good thing. Clap it up for him. It's a good thing, bro. You know, you can't hate on someone's success or achievements. Come on now. So I'm excited. I feel like this is real. I like Ghost. No shade, but I'm just saying. Like, I mean, he started YouTube when he was fucking 18, 17, around there. And he's buying his car when he's 21. So it would be okay. No, it's not like a prank or for views. But we don't know. But I feel like it's legit. So congratulations to the boy. Buying himself a car for his 21st. Yes, sir.
You guys are going to be coming along with me to pick up something very, very special to me. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Now, but you're onto something, eh? Cool. So you think it has wheels and it moves on the road?
Yeah.
So you're thinking it's a locomotive?
Something like this.
What car do you think it is, Nkatako?
You're not really a Beamer person.
Okay.
I'm a Beamer person.
Okay.
We're still gonna get to the Lambo though. We're still gonna get to the
yeah.
So I know it's
but both of you to assume that I'm not getting the Lambo today.
Okay. Then I clearly haven't seen you in a bit.
Exactly. Comment down below.
A VW or a Mercedes?
Good choice. As I said, brother.
I'm not gonna lie. Most niggas are buying VWs, right? Most people are buying VWs. And Mercedes is the best. Like I told you, bro. I don't know how many times I have to tell your niggas. I don't know how many times I have to tell your niggas. I don't know how many times I have to tell you girls. Mercedes is the best, bro. As much as I love the M4, I love the M2, I love the 1 Series, but Mercedes does the best. I don't care what the fuck you think or say. So, he has to go with the best. VW, I see why. But, hands out said, I also think it's like Mercedes. So, which Mercedes? I don't know. They always go for the A's. Okay, not the A's, actually. My favorite car, A45S. Oh my God. The day I get that car, it's over for you guys. It's always the C's. You probably get an A, probably get the C. Whether it's C63, whether it's C220 or whatever, but it's always the C. Then obviously when it comes to VW, the GTIs, R lines. Yeah.
Bro, I don't know why you think we're getting a car. That's crazy. But what car would you get actually if you were to get a car?
Okay, give me a budget. Yeah.
There's no budget.
Okay, yeah. Can't go with the budget because it's like, now it gives it away. But comment down below, what car would you buy as your first dream car? Not like your executive, crazy, borderline, car, but like your first dream car. Comment down below. I say A45S. I want to see your thoughts. I want to see what type of cars you guys have in mind. First, not like, obviously, I'm like, last extreme is like Bentley. But we'll talk about first first dream car, baby. Yeah.
Realistic first car.
A 320D. BMW.
Yeah. Okay.
Trying to see the car, honestly.
Yeah, like you was talking and I was just like, okay, boy, I hear you. And I know you can do it, but it's like,
okay.
Are you gonna do it?
This is my birthday gift to myself.
That's
I don't know what to do for my 21st. I feel like that's a very serious age. You know, you're turning into an adult. Yeah, like I don't know, man. I don't wanna party because I feel like that's a lot of money to spend. High key, like
You have a car now,
bro. Like exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like a party, now I must pay for like 65 people. Yeah, no, that's not a thing. Then I was like, okay, maybe lunch. But then a lunch is like, I'm gonna be inviting only like 6 friends to the 21st. The others are not coming, you know. Now it's kind of snack. So I was just like, you know what? I'll make it easy. I'll just get a car. Yeah, not that it's easier, but it's better. You understand? Yeah. Happy birthday, me! Guys, in your life, have you ever seen a white key? Like, I've actually never seen it in my whole life. We're gonna read this whole thing before the end of the day. We're not gonna leave this room before I'm done. Symbols in this owner's manual.
Okay, now. Okay. Yeah, nigga. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Mercedes does it the best. I'm not lying. It suits him. Like the way it's like it's right for him. I'm not lying. Like the interior, being inside the car, I can see him be like, okay, cool. So I see why he got it. I don't know what it is. I know it's AMG. I don't know what AMG. I don't know if it's an A or C, what. But I love the interior. I hate the white color because my boy, Messi's kache, but it looks good. It looks good on him. This white looks good. I don't usually like white cars. I don't like white cars. But yeah, congratulations, my boy. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough.
Bump me now! Don't bump me now!
Hey yo, so guys, I'm actually very happy right now, as you can see with my smile. That beautiful car right there is mine and mine only, guys. I bought myself a car at the age of 21 because I didn't know what to do for my 21st birthday, so I decided why not buy myself a nice Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG. Please come look at me.
Okay, AC200. I did say, baby girls, my niggas, I'm the best react. I'm the best. You know, I'm Dr. Strange. What? Yeah, Strange. Yeah, Dr. Strange. Nah. Shit, I fucked that up. But anyway, yeah, I'm Dr. Strange. And like I said, it's always the C200s or the A, but not mostly A. It's always the C's. But that's tough. AMG, you know, it has some sport in it. So, yeah.
Come look at me. Oh my God. The best piece of advice I can give you is be proud of yourself before anything else, guys. Don't look at other people. Don't expect other people to congratulate you or clap for you. Clap for yourself before anything. And yeah, as you can see, people are trying to drive in right now, so we're gonna have to keep this very brief. But yes, thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. Literally what started as the boys, now it's this. We literally bought a car from saying, you know what it do.
What it do?
I'm chilling with the boys.
Yeah.
So this is the gifty gift, and to be honest, I haven't even seen what's inside. So we can see that this
Let's unbox together.
Unboxing. Yeah, my weight is everywhere. People need to understand that I'm an AMG owner.
Damn.
So yeah, guys. Anyway, right now we're going to go to my granny's house so we can show her, so she can pray over the car. I'm also gonna show my mom because she hasn't seen it yet, and I'm just going to show my family in general. We're gonna start actually at my cousin's place, and yeah, let's blast some music in the car and let's have some fun. Bro, it just sounds like a sports car. Can you hear it?
It's an AMG.
Got that go. You guys can't tell me anything, boy. Bro, this is my first big boy purchase, like in my life. I mean, there was a time I bought myself a phone, and I was so proud of myself, bro. I bought myself an iPhone, bro, in high school. My parents, like, my dad once bought me an iPhone, but then, like, it was child, like, he wasn't gonna upgrade it. So the fact that I was able to upgrade it myself and get, I think, probably like a 12, then I got a 13. Now I'm on a 15, and I'm gonna get a 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. Oh no, other than my camera gear, obviously.
Okay, yeah.
But this is going to be not even.
It is.
This is my biggest purchase, bro.
Think they actually did this?
Okay.
Congratulations! Hey, give it a spin!
Oh.
Shit. Now, RIP my grandmother. Both my grandmothers. I just lost my grandfather last year, and then my grandfather lost when I was like 6. But now, I'm not trying to make this sad, but like seeing like him and his grandmother's like heartwarming me and make me miss my grandmother. So big up for him to starting with the Ndlovukazi, the lady on top. That obviously moms is moms, but like, you know, and yeah, man.
Oh, better yakwa. Oh. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. Okay, my grandmother was gonna be too old as fuck to drive my car. So, but hey man, drive my car. But you have to, cause the places came from there, you know. But I'm not lying. Not today. Probably like in a month or so. Yeah.
So how do you like it, Kamu? This is Nkatako's first time in my grand's house, bro. That means you're blessed for life.
For life.
It's shy now, like.
Oh, that was his mom. Oh, that was his, or was it his mom? Because it said mom, family, but okay, this is granny. I was about to say, bro, your granny's young as shit. Hence I said my granny would be old as fuck.
Ateko. Ke ne dina la gago le mathang. Ka ba ka mmona. Okay. O ba ke mo montle yang. Awu. Shapno. Rona ba tswana tsa rona diso. Koloi e nka wa mosebetsi ha o ela mabaka a serious. Nje ga o tswa re wa mjaivo. Ke kopa tsa meka u. Tlhokomela koloi ye ke ya rata.
What am I accelerating? This guy go work crazy. Please.
You must confuse your enemies.
Exactly, Coco.
That's fine.
Wow, this is good. Literally picked it up today.
Okay. This is so cool. You wanted the Benz, and you got the Benz.
I wanted the Benz. You know I've always wanted the Benz.
You wanted the Benz all the time.
Yeah.
You give Mama this. You take a Picanto. I mean,
Le ringa koloi ya ka guys again.
you guys.
Le o ya ko di events ka.
Exactly.
I drove us back, by the way, guys.
You can go wrong.
Yeah.
AMG.
How was my driving out of 10?
Your driving out of 10 is obviously 7 because you drive a nonsense out like you're still so excited.
What up? I didn't know what to get for my birthday, you know, so I was just like, let me just buy myself a car, you know, like, yeah, man. Yeah, things are different, you know.
I was not expecting this.
AMG. And just like that, guys, you have reached the end of the video.
Okay. W, boy. I mean, even uncles or pops said, bro, you can't go wrong with Mercedes. You can't go wrong with AMG. As much as they body parts can also go wrong. But yeah, Tando, Wolf, damn, okay. But I get it's your girlfriend. But I don't know, I have a different perspective. Like, if you my newly girlfriend, I'll still show you, nah. Mara now she's gonna start thinking, this nigga got money. Nah, you know. But if she's like a wifey and her own boss, she's not thinking none of that. She's like, you know. But yeah, W video, like, cool car, really, you know. Straight to the point. Got into the Uber. I don't know if that was his cousin or friend, but like, you know, gets the car. Uber, sign the papers, reveal the car, drive it to mom's and grandmother's and family's cribs, and then obviously lost his girlfriend because, like, you know, surprise and shit. So proud of him. Like, honestly, let's not act like we were not watching when, you know, like the boys, thugs, all of those niggas, bro. You know, so shout outs. That just shows that hard work and consistency can put you in like levels where you thought you'd never reach, or places where you thought you'd never be, you know. So that's where I'm trying to take this shit with, like, this shit's too damn slow. And yeah, by also you guys supporting me, I really appreciate it, for real. Yeah, always stay prayed up. Family first, always family first. Like, don't fuck around, show your boyfriend, your girlfriend things like your car and your apartments. No, family first, and then after, you know. You know, once he made right by you and make you his wife, then, and once, you know, she's wifey, niggas, that's when only like, okay, you know. But yeah, and that's the end of the video. Sun is still not out. I know my light is kind of crazy, but yeah, sun's not out yet. I'm going to a wedding on Saturday, so I'm like, please, bro, I want to go cut my hair, you know. But yeah, congratulations to the boy. You know, like he said, like, even the small achievements, you know, to other people may be small, like, okay, you bought an iPhone, you know. But to you, it's like, you know, buying yourself a pair of shoes, buying yourself clothes, buying yourself toiletries, you know, like the small wins. Because in life, you don't have the same experience, you don't have the same lanes, you know. Maybe for someone else, buying shoes is like, I've been buying shoes, or I've been bought shoes before, you know, it's nothing. But to you, it's like, I've never, you know, actually have shoes like that. So small wins, you know. Shit, I'm bright as fuck. But yeah, small wins, you know, like he's saying, it's his big purchase. If you're grateful, more things will come. But if you're like, yeah, they're supposed to come to me, or like, nah, this is more I need. Nah, you gotta be grateful for everything and make your wins your wins, you know. It doesn't matter that you haven't bought a car, haven't bought a house, you haven't bought yourself shoes. You probably bought yourself toothpaste for the first time. That's a W, and you should celebrate it, like, you know, like that, for real, you know, like. So start with the small wins. That way you appreciate when you get to the bigger ones, you know. Well, not the bigger ones in terms of it's a bigger win, but like bigger, like, okay, you know, from it's a sweet to stock sweetie to amachips. That's what I mean. But all wins are wins. But yeah, that was a little motivation talk. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one. It's your boy, the prettiest YouTuber in the world. Jay is. Pronouns.